Hi everyone. The best way to learn English is by regularly practicing words and phrases. You don't have to listen for a long time, but you must listen every day. Listen to English for just 10 or 15 minutes every day.
Are you confused of the type of gift you would like to gift your friend for his birthday, engagement or wedding? Selecting a gift for someone can actually be a difficult task. Sometimes you might find a gift at one go, but sometimes it may take hours before you could actually find one. Gift something that can make the person a shopping spree. Take into consideration the person's like and dislikes before deciding over the gift. Gifts make everyone feel special. Hence it's important that you be selective in your choice. Don't just give away something as you couldn't find time to shop. Gift ideas. Receiving and buying a gift for someone can be a great experience. Gifts are meant to be given whether it's a birthday, engagement, wedding party or any other special occasion. You need to find a descriptive gift that can be perfect for the occasion. For instance, if it's your friend's engagement party, you need to gift the couple something useful for the home. You could gift them a champagne bottle or maybe a candle gift basket. You could also gift the couple a wedding planner, wedding survival kit, or even a wedding countdown clock. Candle gift baskets are becoming quite popular. They are available in both scented as well as unscented forms. You can find candle gift baskets for different occasions, mainly Christmas gift basket, wedding gift basket, candle gift basket, engagement gift basket, Valentine gift basket, unique candle gift basket, online gift store. Today one can find innumerable shopping outlets online. All you have to do is perform a search of the type of gift you would like to gift for your friend. You need to calculate prices and compare with different sites to check which one is more suitable one for you.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Learn with Cartoon channel, publish video to your friends.